Hey everybody, this is Unit 1, Formative 2, Video 6 on proportions. Alright, when you're solving a proportion, we're going to do something that's called to cross multiply. So first of all, a proportion is just basically you're going to look at two different fractions. Okay, when we cross multiply, we're going to circle the numbers or letters that are diagonal each other. So 7 and 12 and 8 and m. So we're going to take 7 times 12 and set it equal to 8 times m. Well, if we look at 7 times 12, okay, we multiply those first, and we're going to get 84. And then we say 84 equals 8m. And then we divide by 8 on both sides, so we get 10.5 equals m. Alright, next one we're going to take 3 times 8 equals 4 times x, or just 4x. 3 times 8 is 24 equals 4x. Divide by 4, 6 equals x. Alright, and those are the very basic proportions that you'll see. Okay, the next one you might see is something like this. We're still work the same concept, so we're going to take 4 times the quantity of b minus 8. So to show that, we're going to put b minus 8 in parentheses. Equal to 5 times the quantity of b plus 3. Okay, and we all know what we do with parentheses. We distribute. So first change this to a plus, make that a negative 8. So we get 4b plus negative 32 equals 5b plus 15. We just distributed. Okay, subtract the 4b over because we want to move all the variables to one side. So negative 32 equals 1b plus 15. Subtract the 15. And you get negative 47 equals 1b, and there's your answer, because we don't need to get rid of the 1, because putting a 1 there is the same as just not even having anything there. Alright, did you know that in the 1800s popcorn was actually consumed as a breakfast cereal by Americans? That would actually be delicious. Alright, 2 more problems. Okay, so we're going to take and multiply 4 times the quantity of b plus 4 and set it equal to 5 times 7. Okay, so that gives me, when I distribute here, I get 4b plus 16 equals 35. Okay, now you have a 2-step equation, so subtract 16. You get 4b equals 19. Divide by 4. You get b equals 4.75. Alright, and then finally, we're going to take 7 times the quantity of c plus 1 equals 4 times the quantity of c minus 2. Change your minus signs to plus signs, distribute a negative. So 7 times c, 7 times 1 gives you 7c plus 7 equal to 4 times c, 4 times negative 2 gives you 4c plus negative 8. Alright, so here we have an equation with variables on both sides. So we look at which one's bigger. The 7's bigger. So if I subtract the 4, it's going to give me a positive 3c on this side. So that's actually going to be the easier route to go, because these canceled out then. Now we have a 2-step, so subtract the 7, 3c equals negative 15, divide by 3, so we have c equals negative 5. Alright, and that is how you solve. Make sure you go back to my website and take the quiz, or rewatch the video if you need to. We will see you later.